Hey everyone, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 Pro Plus AI robot vacuum cleaner is a strong and sophisticated cleaning tool designed for contemporary households, with a number of high-end features that distinguish it from many rivals. Today, we're delving into a thorough hands-on examination and study of this product. The retractable 3-beam side brush, which is intended to remove material from confined spaces and edges, is another noteworthy feature. Beveled ends have been added to its design to aid in the more efficient removal of snarled hair. In addition, the robot has one of the strongest suction powers in its class, 13,300 pascals. Let's now test the construction and design of the robot. The circular low-profile shape of the DEEBOT X8 Pro Plus makes it easier to accommodate behind furniture. In order to detect and avoid obstacles in real time, it combines a front-facing AI-powered 3D camera system with a hidden LIDAR array. Rather than the conventional tower-style LIDAR, the AIVI 3D system is the name given to this. A touch control button, 3 microphones for spoken command recognition, a magnetic dustbin lid, and manual controls are all mounted atop the robot. A HEPA filter impregnated with activated carbon, which offers antibacterial protection and odor absorption, is included in the 220 milliliter dustbin. The mopping system is especially sophisticated. It is similar to the soft, fluffy roller mop used in vertical wet or dry vacuums. Its mobility towards the side borders helps remove blind spots along walls and furniture, and it can be manually stretched or controlled through the app. The carpet is kept dry by the roller's 10 millimeter raise when it reaches it. Another benefit is the auto cleaning dock station that is incorporated. Warm air drying at 63 degrees Celsius, detergent mixing, roller rinsing with hot water at 75 degrees Celsius, and automatic control of clean and dirty water through 4-liter tanks are all supported. For odor and germ control, the waste is dumped into a 3-liter dust bag that has been strengthened with activated carbon. Some choices, nevertheless, can appear less ideal. For users wishing to upgrade from older models, the fact that the modular tanks from earlier ECOVACS models cannot be used with this station could be a disadvantage. Positively, maintenance is made simpler by a self-cleaning tray and detachable ramp. The robot connects through the ECOVACS Home app in terms of functionality and controls. However, keep in mind that the Chinese market model requires access to a Chinese account. A wide range of customization options, including 50 levels of water flow modification for mopping, are revealed via the app once it is linked. During navigation tests, the X8 Pro Plus confidently navigated through domestic settings. After mapping the outside, it used a snake pattern to clean the inside. It was able to go around complicated objects like laundry racks and chair legs. Even though it occasionally had trouble getting through small openings, it was always able to get out without assistance. One of the most cutting-edge robot vacuums we've evaluated so far is the ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 Pro Plus AI. For consumers seeking near-seamless edge mopping combined with powerful vacuuming performance, this hybrid cleaner is perfect. Although a few app limitations and the absence of some worldwide support functions may be significant depending on your location and level of technical comfort, its adaptive features, powerful suction, hot water mop cleaning, and sophisticated AI navigation make it stand out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.